Meaning of incommode.
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 Incommode. The word incommode is a verb that means to inconvenience or cause discomfort to someone. When someone is incommoded, they are experiencing some level of discomfort or inconvenience that may range from minor annoyance to significant disruption of their daily activities. This may be caused by a variety of factors, such as a change in plans, a delay in transportation, or an unexpected event. Overall, being incommoded can be frustrating and disrupt one's sense of ease and comfort in the moment, but it is usually not a significant or long-lasting problem.